Hi, this is Brian Millage. We're down here at the Rod Factory tonight, and we're working on a Pink Pro rod. What I thought I'd do is do a little tutorial. Some of you guys like to do some of the stuff yourself, build your own poles. We'll go through an accent stripe. We use pink thread on this black pole. It stands out very good. Kind of give you an idea of how we do it. Not that we know more than anybody else. We do quite a bit of it. Maybe we can show you a couple pointers, and you can do this a little bit better for yourself at home. We take the pink thread. We put it around the pole, use the palm of my hand to hold the pole, and I twirl it with the palm of my hand. I bring the thread over it one time. Takes two to hold it. You do it one more time. Do it over twice. Now that thread is being held by the tension. Always go around one more time just to kind of make sure everything is being held in place. Cut it off a little bit. Everything's going good. You keep your line a little bit of an angle so it's got to jump over. And we just power wrap a little bit here. Got the length we want. We're going to put a tag underneath it. I usually like to have about 5 wraps of the tag so you have a good pull underneath it. Cut it, put it through the loop. Nice quick jerk. Pull it down through there. Use the razor blade. Lick your fingers. Roll the twine in your hand. Get a nice good taunt. Pull it. Cut it with the razor. Use your burnishing tool to square it up. Kind of rough the top of it up. That levels everything down a little bit. And there you go. You got an accent. Looks pretty cool. This is Brian Millage from Mondo Cat saying, good luck on your own. Thank you.